All right. 2. First last. Which one?
Why is your... Wait, why is that so big?
When you go fast, it gets really big. Which one?
First.
So you can see where it is. Like if it's off in a corner, you know where it is. It gets real big. Ah, there it is. All right, dude. The waiting is crazy. What?
Let's see.
I'm hiding. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let's see. Another rare, and this time it's an Alfie.
Oh!
All right. Look, we have 2 of the rares with the cool rainbow skin. Let's go to the backpack and
Alfie's
check this.
eyes kind of look cursed.
They do kind of. Let's look.
Everything.
Let's see. Where's our... Look, there's our rare Alfie. And there's our rare Comet. We don't have a rare Juno. I wonder if that's in the last cube. We'll never know. Yes, we will.
Well, you will.
Oh, of course we will. Cool. Man, all right, these are some good pulls here, right? We got a couple of commons, and I was like, okay, common. But, look, we got a couple of rares and an epic.
Yeah, those are He-Mans.
All right, one more. Okay.